Many people, including myself, have something called gear acquisition syndrome, or GAS for short. This habit can be expensive, unproductive, and ultimately a waste of time when you have to learn a whole new system. When I first started looking into the SmplTrek, I wanted an all-in-one device that I could take with me on the road, take to live performances, as well as be the main brain for my at-home studio. I played with the pre-made projects and pushed it to the full extent of the limit that I felt that I could at the time. I made some neat beats, I made some really cool songs that I really liked and showed off to my friends. I did this for a few months only to realize that all I had were a few songs and extremely messy file structure to sort through. Like most of us probably have, I looked through all the manuals, I jumped into the forums and even checked out Reddit as well as YouTube to find different ways that I could learn to use this device. Everything changed when I decided to push this device beyond the limits of what the manual describes. I want to take you on a journey from where you are now to a place where you can make high quality, diverse soundscapes. I will also provide some tips and tricks that are going to make performing with the SmplTrek live a breeze.